Yeah, here we are downtown. It's not New York or anything, but someone requested downtown at night. Downtown at night is what they're gonna get. Oh, and then right now we're in stabilization daily. There's one higher than this. It's called Sport. What we're going to do is just this little downtown loop, and then when we get to the starting point again, we just adjust our ISO. So again, it's totally dark now, and ISO 100 through 12,000. Oh. Some quick thinking on the TU250. Wait for these people to cross the street. No feet down on the Suzuki. Oh. Yeah, here we're way north, up by Canada, so this is about as dark as it gets right now. We're gonna do a little loop-de-loop, and then I will park, and then I will turn it to 25,000 ISO. Okay, guys, this is the end of the first loop. I'm just going to park and adjust the ISO to 100 through 25,000. Hey, welcome. We are back. See, that wasn't too long, was it? Just left you for a minute. So we're gonna take a right. Oh shit, we're not gonna take a right. Do not enter. We're gonna take a left. That'll work great. And yeah, we're in 100 through 25,000 ISO, so we should look a little bit brighter. The footage, at least. I don't know about myself, but got our signal on. We're just waiting. Try not to get hit by the car behind me. All right. No, feet down on the Suzuki. Let's go this way. We will continue our little lap. Left and a left. Left and a left and a left and a left. Dun 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 dun. Well, how's this night footage look? A right and a right will restart our loop. Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna let homie go on the bike. We are going to give the fire truck some space. Oh good, he's going left, because we're going right. And I don't want to start a fight. Just kidding. They would definitely win. I was just trying to rhyme. Again, yeah, this is just 100 through 25,000 ISO. We have one more after this. Super night. Super night. Okay. We're just going to do this little loop. Go back to our little parking spot. Do a little super night. Let's see it. Here is the chosen spot for night mode. Alright. Right back, friend. Back. I'm already feeling pretty super. This is super night. What the hell? Super night mode. All right, we're gonna take our left, following our usual spot, and then we will take our right. Actually, we go straight. I'm already getting lost. I don't come downtown much. 10 seconds. We will wait. We will wait. We will wait for the crosswalk. Yeah, again, so this is Super Night, which is its own mode, and I just checked. It's ISO 100 through 50,000. So that's kind of insane. This guy might be coming over to my lane, so I'm gonna give him some space. Go for it, buddy. I got you. It's a stupid barrier, I know. Now we're gonna go right, finish our little loop, and we're just gonna be heading home. But this concludes our night tests. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for the night Action 5 test. So far, just as a recap, we've done regular mode, ISO 100 through 12,000, and then 25,000, and now Super Night, which is 50,000. I guess leave a comment. Let me know which one you guys like best. And this is all at 4K, 60 FPS, -1 exposure. Prius, Turbo Prius. Turbo. All right, Prius, lead the way. I'm interested to see how this night mode works, because I think the middle option, the 25,000, is my favorite. But I want to see the 12,000 too. Whee! And you know what? Since I'm here, I'm just going to do a quick night neighborhood test. We're still in Super Night. And to go this way, we have to go through the neighborhoods. Oh, we can make it. Yes! Go TU250. So this is the neighborhood Super Night. I think for the hell of it, I might even just pull over and switch it back to like 12,000 or 25 just to see what it looks like. Be interesting to see what this person looks like on super night. Okay, yeah, it is like pitch black in here because there's no really house lights or anything. Really just my headlight. If any of you guys are wondering what the hell this headlight bulb is, it is a H4 LED bulb. And it is a hell of an upgrade from the stock halogen. Super night, super bright headlights. I'm just going to leave it on super night for the hell of it. We'll test the 12K in the neighborhood another day. I forgot my gloves. I'm fucking freezing. I don't know how I forgot my gloves, but I did. Some crispy downshifts on the TU. Whoa.